Good day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our medical facility we are working on, in the last episode, this is how far we were able to go to create all these things. So if you want to have a shadow around this, you'll be wonder why hospital bed are not here. I don't conduct. So if you just have this one, I think it's going to be okay for you. And if it's not satisfied, get more details or like that. This is what will give you the ideas of how to create something relative. So now let's say this is ground level 1, this is level 2. You can adjust the how will I call it now, the shadow by going to this route. So what you just need is sun setting, then you change this one, increase this one to like 65, then reduce this one to 50. If it's possible, just say adjust, and if you are okay with that, it's okay. If you are not okay, increase this one to let's say 20. I delete this. So you do the same thing here by reduce this one to 60. So apply now. That's it. So if it's like getting too much, you can reduce the shadow, apply. So it's going to look faint. Reduce the shine setting, apply. And that's all. So let's go to level 2. Level 3, the same thing, the same way. You change the graphics, adjust the graphics the same manner. So go here and see the section. From the section, you change this one to 60 like we did. Then you come here to change this one to 20. You can flip it at 25. But instead of having foundation here, you change it to level 3 because that's where you're in level 3. So say apply. So it will be fixed. But if you want it to be more details, do this one so that this one will pop up. And that is just it. You can do the same thing the way you did before. Sun setting, shadow increase or shadow reduction, ambient as well. All of them have the same, they have their own function. So hide this one, I will say hide everything in this category. I don't want to see, so that I'll be able to see my plan. But if you still want it to look more busy and bring them back and be looking at them. So that is just it in this particular area. So we have a service department. We have some staff that are going to be serving these people often and often. So these are executive wards. People can come here, just lodge, receive their medical facility for time well-being. So then they move. Same thing here as well. This one's like a executive department, you understand? So it's a VIP ward. So that's how this one is being created. So now what we do in this place is that, let me see, I want to have a name. Now I don't know if you have the idea of creating deca before. So the elevation used to have something like did I say deca, modeling text. So I just want to model the text here and say okay. So let me check the parts that will sustain my idea. So I pick this. So I want to write hospital. So you understand now. So say sorry, modeling text. Let's go back. Come to model text. Where is it? Model text, this actual one. So what you just see, you can leave this one and say okay, so that you'll be able to see what we are creating. So you fill it here. So that is model text. Now I want to write a hospital tutorial in a what? So hospital tutorial, let's say double click. So it's going to come here where it's going to be hospital tutorial. So that's the name of the hospital. So you can change it to whatever you feel like changing. So if you say okay, it's going to take over the whole space. So you understand. But instead of you doing that one, you can just like having it the vertical way. So how do you do that? By just selecting, because you cannot do it in there's no way. It's not like a corridor or something that can transfer to a vertical. So all you just need to do is to be pressing enter, go to the next letter and press enter, so that everything is going to go vertical completely. So here too, you do the same thing by double, then you follow up in a similar manner. Hospital tutorial. So when you say okay, that is it. So you have this in place. So now you can now be twisting this one by changing the, you can have the material being laid, change the, let's say you want to use architects, but I don't want that, so let me just use the one techniques is my main because it gives me what I need. So techniques bold is what I'm going to use, and I will click on boldness. So it's going to be like a, understand, we transform now. See now, so transformation has start to it. Then from there I can change my material. So from here I will change my material from here. So this is where material will be changed. So when I change the material, I can select any kind of material that suits me, like white, gold, or whatsoever. So let me click gold and select this one. I'm going to change it to gold. So I will say graphics, good. So I'm going to go here and find a good material to use. Appearance. So go to meta. So the meta now is to find what suits you. This is brace, so copper and things like that. So if you cannot find good, the good is not available in, so look for something similar. Okay, let me just use this brace mesh and let me just put it there. So the main reason is that it's only much useful whenever you are doing I'm going to call it now. Whenever you are doing your, so this one is 2 inches, so I'm going to increase it to 4. I want to double it, so it will be bigger. So you understand? So it's a bigger, the bigness now is too big for me. So what am I going to do? That I will have hospital and at the same time have it. That is why you need to. So what I'm going to do is that I will copy this. So I'm going to copy this. Understand? So instead of me, I will double click this one. So I'm going to delete the upper one, which is hospital here. So it's going to remove tutorial for me. And I will say okay. So here now I will change this one again. I will delete the lower one, which is a tutorial. So just a trick. So what do you have? Hospital tutorial at this side. So whatever they remain there, you just delete them. You don't need them any longer. And that's okay. You say okay and pure tutorial. So that is how you focus on that one. You can now mirror this one the way we used to do by going to foundation or anywhere you go to. So select mirror, mirror, then you mirror it based on mirror with copy, then you mirror on the normal 45-degree as being laid. So set from here and pick it down. So what do you have here? You should have it rotated to this place. When you go to 3D entirely, this is actually what you have. So I think this one is more higher, so you can come here and change the size by saying, then you say duplicate it. You don't have the same size with that. So what you do is that you reduce the height here to 3. Turn this one to 3. So it's come down. So you can drag it here, still maintain the same. So you do the same thing here by selecting that and choose. So you drag it down. So here they have it in opposite direction. So you just like interchange it, push this to this level and push this to the other level. So let's say you want to do it very well, you can go to elevation, I think west. So here you have it. So just like adjust it in this position, then adjust it in this position as well. So those are the things you have done, and this is how it looks like. So in the next tutorial we focus on it. So the details about that will come up the next time when we are going to be doing this. So this is just how far we can go on this for now. So look at the hospital intensively. The environment have their own. So this is how it looks. Creating all these areas, just like you can use it to replicate to your work or to your project. At the same time, you can, if you follow through, that will stay in your archive as what you have designed. Manipulate everything. If you have a similar project that come for you, can make use of it. So that's just Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.